In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sign in to Clipchamp step by step. Whether you're new to video editing or just getting started with Microsoft's online video editor, this quick guide will help you access your account in just a few minutes. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or any browser you like. Once your browser is open, go to Google and type in Clipchamp in the search bar, then press Enter. In the search results, look for the official website that says Online Video Editor by Microsoft, Clipchamp. Make sure it's the official Clipchamp website to ensure you're accessing the correct and secure platform. Click on that result to open the website. Once the Clipchamp homepage loads, take a look at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on the Sign In button. You'll now be taken to the login page. Here, Clipchamp will give you several sign-in options. You can continue with Google, Microsoft, or any other available sign-in option shown on your screen. Choose the option that matches the account you want to use. For example, if you want to sign in with your Google account, click on Continue with Google. A new window will pop up asking you to choose your Google account. Select the email address you want to use to sign in. If you don't see your account listed, you can click on Use Another Account and manually enter your email and password. After selecting your account, you may be asked to grant permissions. These permissions allow Clipchamp to access basic information like your name and email address so it can create or log you into your account. Review the permissions carefully and then click Allow or Continue to proceed. Once you've completed the authentication process, you'll automatically be redirected back to Clipchamp. If everything was successful, you'll now be signed in and taken to your Clipchamp dashboard. From here, you can start creating a new video project, access previous projects, upload media, or explore the editing tools available inside the platform. And that's it. That's exactly how to sign into Clipchamp quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this one. I post regular guides to help you navigate different software tools step by step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.